off down to the Triumph dealer where I got the bike to get the new SC Project exhaust fitted and the retune, and currently got it strapped to the back of the bike. You may or may not be able to have seen that. God, this is uncomfortable. I've got an exhaust in my back. I'm not sure how the hell I'm going to get the old one back home. I don't think it'll fit on the seat of the bike like this one does. This one comes apart. The silencer and the connecting pipe are separate in the box. So when it's so loud it's going to be offensive. I just want it a little bit louder, which would be good, because it's okay, but it's a bit muted. Yeah, a bit muted, and we like a little bit of noise, don't we? So we'll stick that on, and I'll just do a quick walk round later. The other guy who's got a Tiger Sport at the moment, Phil Jones UK, he's had this exhaust fitted and rates it pretty well. So just like a copycat, I'll have the same, thanks very much. Oh, an Oriental rug sale, how exciting. Ah, good, we can go in the far end. Good, good, good. Da 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 da. Oh, that sounds good. Ooh, very nice. That sounds lovely! Should have put my waterproof boots on. Ooh. Lovely day. Oh, there you go. So there you go. New Forest. Get off, fly. New exhaust fitted SC Project high level on a Triumph Tiger Sport 2014 model. Sounds nice. Sounds lovely. That is nice. So yeah, that all works very well. So it's got a nice carbon fibre bash plate here. Not quite sure about the corroding stud straight away. It's been through the rain, but it shouldn't do that. Nice carbon fibre look. Does not get hot at all to the touch. It's even after you've ridden it hard, switch the engine off, you can touch that without any problem at all. Not like the standard can, which is boiling hot for ages. Anyway, so that's the bash plate from the old exhaust. That's the new bash plate that comes with it. So that's the connecting pipe down to the old fitting there, just in front of the cat. It's got the bracket for the main stand, pretty useful, and it just has a lovely little burble. Not too loud at all. So it's pretty neat, and I think really fits the lines much better than the original. The original one stuck out half a mile, a great big silver thing, and I thought didn't look that good, to be honest. So we're in the middle of the New Forest. Over that way is Fordingbridge and Bournemouth, and over that way is Southampton, and this is the middle of nowhere. So yeah, on the recommendation of Phil Jones, good one mate, had that fitted and really pleased with it, so makes a hell of a difference to the bike. Not sure what that is, a little bit of, yeah, not sure what that is, but sounds good. So there you have it, all fitted, all working, all sounding very nice. I'll go home then. Woo! Gravel!